Hey guys, Becca here. And yeah, that's me about 5 years ago, living the corporate life, taking the train every day into my corporate job, working at a screen for 8 to 10 hours a day. I mean, I thought I was doing the right thing, you know, chasing the money, paying my rent, but it was just hell. I was so bored, and I can't believe it took me so long to realize that there could be a job out there that I actually enjoy and that I'm passionate about. And here I am, a qualified carpenter who loves her job. I get to work outdoors, build real things, and transform people's homes. Now, I couldn't have gone from IT to tradie overnight. I needed the help from everyone here at TIV. Let me show you what a day training here looks like. Training at TIV is just like real tradie life. We've got early mornings, I'm often up before the sun. I get on the road so early, sometimes I don't even have time for breakfast. Just grab my cup of coffee and I'm on my way. Every day is different, with a mix of classroom theory and the hands-on practical learning, which is definitely my favourite. We train on real scale simulated building sites, and it feels like an actual work site. I've gone from being stuck in a boring office job to working outdoors and learning real trade skills. Here on campus, we work together as a team with people from all different backgrounds. Everybody here for the same goal, building a future in construction. We're learning how to build from the ground up, whilst focusing on important safety practices every day. The trainers treat us like real tradies and prepare us for the real industry expectations. If I don't get something right, the trainers are here to help and guide us through it. I've made heaps of friends, built lifelong industry connections, and found a pathway I actually enjoy. It's more than just a course, it's the start of a real career, and I absolutely love the building industry. So that's a wrap on a day in the life at TIV. So reach out because it's your turn to get qualified.